Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Asadur Rafiq, and today I will present the topic complex sentence, focusing on adverb clause and adjective clause. I will explain the material in three main parts: adverb clause, adjective clause, essential and non-essential clause. I hope this presentation helps us understand the difference clearly. So let's begin. For first question, explain in your own words what is adverb clause. First, let me explain what an adverb clause is. An adverb clause is a dependent clause that functions like adverb. It gives extra information such as time, reason, condition, or contrast. This clause usually starts with subordinating conjunction like when, because, although, if, and after. Next, I will explain several pairs of conjunctions that are often confused. After versus as soon as. After is used when an action is complete first, while as soon as means something happens immediately when another action begins. Example for after is after I ate, I slept. And for example, as soon as is as soon as I arrive, I called you. Next, when versus whenever. When refers to one specific time, and while whenever means every time something happens. Example for when is call me when you arrive, and example for whenever is call me whenever you need help. Next, when versus by the time. The word when describes the moment an action happens, and by the time shows that another action has already been completed before that moment. Example for when is when I woke up, I smiled. An example for by the time is by the time I woke up, everyone had left. Next, because versus know that. Because gives a general reason, and know that is used when the reason is based on new situation. Example for because is I stayed because it rained. An example for know that is know that the sun is out, we can go. Next, forward, even though versus even if. Even though refers to a real or true fact, while even if refers to something that is possible or imagined. Example for even though is even though it's called I go. An example for even if is I'll go even if it's called tomorrow. Now is next question. What an adjective clause is. I will explain the adjective clause. An adjective clause is a clause that describes a noun. It begins with relative pronouns or relative adverbs such as who, whom, which, that, was, were, when, and why. will explain them briefly. Who is used for people as the subject. Example, the girl who sings is my friend. And for whom is used for people as the object. Example, the man whom I met was kind. Next, which. Which is used for things or animals. Example, the car which is red. The car which is red is mine. Next, that is used for people or things. Example, the book that I read was great. Next, was. Was shows a possession. Example, the boy whose bag is blue. The boy whose bag is blue is here. Next, for relative adverbs. Here is the example. Where refers to a place. Example, the cafe where we meet is closed. And when refers to time. Example, the day when we meet was special. And why? Why refers to a reason. Example, the reason why he left is unclear. Next, for question, essential versus non-essential clause. Lastly, I will explain the difference between essential and non-essential clause. For essential clause, an essential clause gives information that is necessary to identify the noun. Because the information is important, we do not use commas. Example, the student who studies hard will pass. Here the clause who studies hard is needed to specify which student we are talking about. A non-essential clause only adds extra information. Since this information is not required to identify the noun, we use commas. Example, my father who is 50 loves gardening. The phrase who is 50 is additional information and can be removed without changing the meaning. So, to summarize, adverb clause modify the verb and tell us when, why, or under what conditions something happened. Adjective clause describe a noun using relative pronouns or adverbs. Essential clause are necessary for meaning, and non-essential clause only add extra information. That is all for my explanation. Thank you.